Good morning. This is your moment of peace before the world begins to rush. Take a slow breath in and a slow breath out. Today you'll speak to yourself with love and power. Today you'll speak English with confidence. You don't need to be perfect to feel proud. You just need to be present, breathing, and willing to grow. Every morning is a new chance to begin again, and this one belongs to you. Repeat these words with me, slowly, clearly, with meaning. Let every phrase enter your heart before your mind. The more you repeat, the stronger they become. These words are your daily truth. I am confident when I speak English. I am calm, focused, and full of light. Every sound I make carries strength. Every word I say matters. I believe in myself more each day. I trust my voice, even when it shakes. I grow stronger with every conversation. My confidence increases naturally. Mistakes don't define me, they teach me. I am learning, and that makes me powerful. I celebrate my progress, not perfection. I am becoming fluent in courage. My English is a tool of connection and love. Through every word, I reach new hearts and minds. I speak to understand and to be understood. I am proud of how far I've come. I am not afraid to speak. I am not afraid to be seen. I share my ideas with peace and clarity. My voice deserves to be heard. Confidence is not something I find, it's something I create. Every morning I build it with words of power. My mind listens when I speak to it kindly. And today, my words are full of strength. I am enough. I always have been, and I always will be. I don't need comparison to know my value. I shine in my own unique way. When I speak English, I express who I am. My accent is part of my identity. It's not a mistake, it's my story. And my story is beautiful. I release fear with every breath. I release doubt with every word. My heart opens wider as I speak. Confidence flows through me like light. Today, I choose peace over pressure. I choose expression over perfection. I choose courage over silence, and I feel proud of that choice. I repeat these affirmations because I believe in growth. Growth takes time, and I am patient with myself. Each repetition rewires my mind with confidence. Each morning, I rise stronger. My English improves because I practice with love. I speak kindly to myself when I learn. I celebrate every small success. I am unstoppable when I believe in me. My energy attracts positivity when I smile. The world smiles back. When I speak with confidence, doors open. I am a magnet for good things. I am learning English with purpose. It's not just a language, it's my power. It connects me to the world and to myself. It helps me dream bigger every day. I am not behind. I am right where I need to be. Every lesson is part of my journey, and my timing is perfect. I forgive myself for the times I felt small. I let go of the voice that said you can't. Now I speak with the voice that says I can, because I truly can, and I do. Confidence grows from action. Each word I say is an act of courage. Each sentence I speak is a victory. I am winning more than I realize. I am proud of my voice. It carries kindness, truth, and strength. It is worth listening to. And today, I use it fully. When I repeat positive words, my world changes. When I believe in myself, life responds. My inner language creates my outer reality. So today, I speak power into existence. I am not afraid to start again. New beginnings are gifts, not punishments. Every sunrise whispers, try one more time. and I do with love. I am the creator of my confidence. I decide how I feel when I speak. I choose to sound calm, clear, and powerful. That choice changes everything. My English doesn't need to be perfect to be powerful. What matters is connection, not correction. My heart speaks louder than my grammar, and people feel my energy before my words. I am improving more than I notice. Every day adds a new piece of progress. I look back and see how far I've come. I'm proud of the journey, not just the result. Confidence begins with how I talk to myself. So I choose gentle, encouraging words. I treat myself like my best friend, because I deserve that love. I am thankful for my voice. It helps me share ideas and dreams. It allows me to connect and inspire. It is my bridge to the world. My words are energy. They carry peace, light, and belief. When I speak with love, people listen, and I inspire others to do the same. I let go of judgment. I replace it with curiosity and kindness. I listen to others without fear or comparison. Learning becomes joy when love replaces pressure. I have everything I need inside me. Confidence is not outside, it's within. Every morning I wake up stronger. Every breath reminds me I am capable. I am grateful for this moment, for this practice, this voice, this chance to grow. Gratitude makes confidence natural, because I already have enough. I speak English with light and courage. I let my words flow easily and freely. The more I practice, the more natural it feels. And I enjoy every second of the process. I choose to shine today. I choose to trust my voice and my power. I choose to speak clearly and kindly. And I choose to believe in me. Confidence is not noise, it's peace. It's not shouting, it's presence. When I'm calm, I'm strong. When I believe, I'm unstoppable. My voice carries new opportunities. Every conversation can change my future. So I speak with intention and gratitude, because each word has meaning. I am growing beautifully, one step at a time. Even when I can't see results yet, my progress is real. My journey is sacred, and I honor my growth today. I am powerful beyond my doubts. Fear may whisper, but my courage speaks louder. I focus on what I can control, my words, my mindset, my energy, and I rise again, stronger than before. I am proud of who I'm becoming. I'm proud of showing up for myself today. Every repetition is a declaration of self-love. I am exactly where I need to be. Confidence is my daily habit. I build it like a muscle, word by word. And each time I speak, it grows. Because I keep showing up. My English journey is my mirror. It reflects my patience, my effort, and my heart. The more I learn, the more I understand myself. And that's the true gift of learning. I am a light for others who feel afraid to speak. When they see my courage, they find theirs. Together, we grow stronger and freer. My confidence inspires confidence. I am open, calm, and ready for this day. The world needs my energy and my voice. I trust that good things are coming, and I welcome them with love. Take one last deep breath. Feel your power rising within you. Smile because you've already won today. You showed up. You believed. You spoke. Now repeat after me, one last time. I am confident. I am powerful. I am enough. Save this video and repeat it every morning until it becomes your truth.